What if you could generate a YouTube thumbnail that actually gets clicks under 30 seconds? No Photoshop, no hiring a designer. That is exactly what Thumbs.ai promises. And in this video, I will show you the entire platform, from signing up to downloading your final thumbnail so that you can use them for your next upload on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so, and stay with me till the end, because AI is actually changing everything in the industry. So if you don't know me, my name is called Mosewa Mkota. I upload twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So let's get started. Thumbs.ai is an AI-powered YouTube creator that generates high CTR thumbnails from texts, titles, or even video links. It analyzes top-performing channel styles, and then it composes layouts, colors, fonts, and focal subjects. It includes AI face generations, emotion enhancement, global effects, template-based creation, and a CTR rating systems to predict performance before you even publish. Think of it like having a professional thumbnail designer, except it works in seconds and it just costs a small portion of price. And the best part, it is designed specifically for creators who want professional looking thumbnails without spending money in downloading softwares or hiring designers. I promise you, you will love this Thumbs.ai. Let's actually use it. Now step 1 is to sign up or log into Thumbs.ai and choose a free plan or a paid plan. The free plan lets you test the tools out before committing, which is great, and I always recommend trying before buying. Now once you are in, you will see great creations here. Most people have generated these thumbnails using Thumbs.ai. As you can see, people are doing great things. As you can see, these thumbs that are, I think these one are the best thumbs for AI. These are, someone can click on this because they are one of a kind. Now let's scroll down. YouTube thumbnail maker. You can reimagine existing covers or generate new ones from scratch. You can just upload to overhaul its design, or let AI create a viral masterpiece from a simple prompt. You can click here and generate that thumbnail right now. You can also clone clickbait thumbnails. You can replicate the visual DNA of top creators, choose from our Pro Style library, or analyze any channel latest uploads to create your own signature look. You can click here and then you start cloning. Click here. You can now explore here. You can click text to thumbnail. You can recreate thumbnail. We have AI face expression generator. We have clone channel style, pro design effect, thumbnail downloader. So here you can text to thumbnail. You can enter your thumbnail prompt here. You can describe what you want this AI to do for you. So I'm going to give ChatGPT a simple prompt like this. Give me prompts that I can give to Thumbs.ai about my YouTube thumbnails for this title. How to create viral YouTube thumbnails using AI. Let me write it in 2026. Then I'm going to click enter here. Then certainly ChatGPT will give me prompts. So these prompts, I'm going to copy them Then I'm going to paste them on my thumbs.ai. So I'm going to enter my prompts here. So I'm going to edit a little bit so that I can just remain with the main body. So this is my prompt that I've pasted on thumbs.ai. As you can see, create a high clickable YouTube thumbnail for this title. How to create viral YouTube thumbnails using AI in 2026. This is just my simple prompts that I've pasted here on this thumbs.ai. So aspect ratio is 16:9, and I just want one variation. So I'm going to click here on generate thumbnail, and it will only detect 2 credits. So you can use the link in the description to get daily credits that you can enjoy creating these YouTube thumbnails. So let me click here, generate thumbnail here. Okay, ready. So I'm just waiting for few seconds, and I'll be having my very clickable YouTube thumbnails. Now my thumbnail is generated. Now this is my awesome clickable looking thumbnail. So what I'm going to do is that I need to download it. Now to download it, you need to click on the image, then click on download here, and you can save your image to your device. So we have created our YouTube thumbnail. Thanks for watching. That is just for today. So make sure to use the link in the description to sign up and start using this thumbs.ai. Just hold on tight, because today we've talked about text to thumbnail, but the next video we shall talk about recreate thumbnails, AI face expression generator, clone channel style, and many more other things. So make sure to check back, because I will be doing AI face expression generator. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.